Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Ford is a Fortune 500 company within the auto manufacturers industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, minus 2.10%, thumbs down. Earnings growth, 31.1%, thumbs up. Earnings estimates, 74.15%, thumbs up. Return on capital, 6.15%, thumbs down. Debt to free cash flow, 1.64, thumbs up. Share buybacks, yes, thumbs up. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.28%, thumbs up. Payout ratio, 5.59%, thumbs up. Growth rate, minus 19.73%, thumbs down. Growth years, 0 years, thumbs down. 6 out of 10 thumbs up. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate Ford if you already own it in your dividend portfolio. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.